This is my Caribbean style curried chicken and cauliflower recipe. I've been cooking it a long time. We'll do it in the Instant Pot. It takes 14 minutes and then we'll put a crispy skin on. Let's make it. This is my curried chicken and cauliflower recipe, another one that I've been working on for 20 years, and I think I've perfected it. It started out as curried roti, and then it evolved into curried beef, curried pork, curried chicken, and today we're doing curried chicken with cauliflower. Take 1 cup of boiling water and add in 3 chicken bouillon cubes and 2 teaspoons of Caribbean style curry. I'm using a Barbados curry today. The exact recipe for this is in the show notes below, but I've got some onion, some ginger, some celery, habanero, some hot peppers, and some garlic, and some fresh thyme chopped up, and some salt. We're just going to put it in. We're not going to saute this. This is a really fast dish. I'm using the Instant Pot today, but you can do it in a pressure cooker. You can do it in a Dutch oven. It's a pretty fast recipe. The recipe calls for 4 to 6 chicken thighs. I've got 4 today because they're pretty large. I'm not even going to stir this up. I'm just going to put them in. I'm just going to mix this all up, cover it, coat it. Going to bring it up to steam, let it go for 14 minutes, and then we'll do a quick release. That went for exactly 14 minutes, and then I did a quick release on the steam. Look at the nice yellow color on that. So what we're going to do is take this chicken out, skin side up, and put some salt and pepper on the top. You could eat it like this if you wanted, but I'm going to put a really crunchy skin on the top. Take this mixture here and reduce it by half, and then we'll put the cauliflower in. So I'm going to put some refined coconut oil in a preheated pan, about a tablespoon. And I'm going to place this chicken skin side down to make it nice and crispy. Well, the smell is fantastic on this curried chicken and cauliflower. I've reduced the curried gravy by half, and now I'm going to put in a couple of cups of cauliflower, and it looks like I've got some zucchini in here too, which you can also do. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Doesn't that chicken look great? I'm going to put the chicken on the plate, and I'm going to scrape all the drippings right into the cauliflower here. That'll take another 2 minutes. Okay, time to plate it up. There you go, curried chicken and cauliflower. A few green beans thrown in there and a little bit of zucchini. I'll save that gravy. I'll actually serve it with it. This will help flatten your curve. Thanks for watching.